At the point when we watch out into the universe, we find objects tend to orient themselves in pleasant leveled flat planes. For those that don't have the foggiest idea about this phenomena, this appears to be amazingly bizarre, particularly considering the three-dimensional nature of space. Our solar system is an orderly place with the four inner planets, the asteroid belt, and the gas giant worlds all orbiting in the same plane around the sun. Even as you go farther out, the Kuiper belt objects appear to line up with the same exact plane, and so does the rings of Saturn. Why aren't objects zipping about the cosmos altogether sorts of crazy trajectories? For what reason does all that appear to circle on around a comparable level? Why is the solar system flat? Not only our solar system, but even many other star systems are flat. Black holes' accretion disks are flat. Many other galaxies are flat. But why? Of course, solar systems and galaxies aren't completely flat. There are bulk of objects in the galaxies and solar system that orbit on the same general plane as one another. But then you will have objects like the dwarf planet Pluto. Pluto has an orbital inclination of about 17 degrees relative to the plane of solar system. But aside from the odd exceptions here or there, most solar systems and galaxies are exceedingly flat. This phenomenon can be explained by the angular momentum that the celestial bodies possess. In physics, angular momentum is a vector quantity that represents the product of a body's rotational inertia and rotational velocity about a particular axis. Rings and disks are common in astronomy. When a cloud collapses, the conservation of angular momentum amplifies any initial tiny spin of the cloud. As the cloud spins faster and faster, it collapses into a disk, which is the maximum balance between gravitational collapse and centrifugal forces created by rapid spin. Altogether, in simpler words, the solar system and other flat astronomical things are made of swirling celestial objects that clump together due to the force of gravity. These objects spin around a single center of mass, and thus centrifugal, that is the outward seeking force, acts on it, which leads to its flattening. So now that you know why our solar system is flat, stay tuned with us by subscribing to our channel for more such interesting space facts. And hey, while you watch our videos, stay home and stay safe.